But the bottom line is we're just trying to get in that door. We're trying to
Fact.
get them to see our face. We're trying to get them to get our business card, something that they can leave around and contact us later. And then most importantly, we want them to get our proposal too, because now they can see the price. And we might get lucky. We might be lower than what they already paying.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Well, really, I feel like I've made my mind up now between the time where I scheduled the meeting. Cause I was like, man, I'm thinking just go ahead and hop in with the commercial, man, because it's like I keep running into like obstructions. Where it's like it's kind of unclear how to get around them for real with the Airbnb cleaning, because like you got to know groups of circles and stuff like that to know who got them. You know what I'm saying? Right. Versus like you probably get some leads on stuff with a certain place that need commercial cleaning.
Right.
Yeah. So man, that was the thing, man. I was trying to figure out if I should do that, and like and I was gonna ask you like personal tips, like if you knew how to go about it, like would you do it differently in certain areas or something like that? Because I'm out here in Detroit, and it seemed like, man, I see like the infrastructure like it's growing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's like I'm trying to like strike while the iron hot, man.
Okay. So basically, all right. So just to get the first one, I know you already got it. So I just want to reassure you on that one. That basically, yes, I agree. Commercial. I think commercial is top of the top of all of it, and like only because it's recurring. Like it's always recurring revenue. It's consistent, and then it's like the checks are bigger. You know, point blank. Period. So like that, and they easy to hire for too most of the time. So yeah, I agree with you on that. Definitely try to get some commercial going in there. Then the next thing you said, basically like. Is it different for getting the contracts? What depending on the area that you're in? Yeah. So basically, not really. It's all the same. I mean, the bottom line, the number one thing for getting contracts, period, is figuring out who the decision maker is. Like, figure out who's the person that's in charge of finding a cleaning company, and then contacting that person. So whether you go about doing that by going door to door, whether you go about doing that by cold calling, whether you buy leads to do it, whether you join the Chamber of Commerce and get out here and network with people locally, whatever you do, it's still the same thing. All you're trying to do is just get the person who's in charge of hiring a cleaning company. And once you got that, we also call them the decision maker. Once you got that, that's it. Now you just try to see if you can get a walkthrough schedule with them, do the walkthrough, take measurements, put it in your bidding calculator, put the proposal together, submit it, and close the deal. I mean, that's it all the way around the board. It seemed oversimplified when I say it, but that's really all it is. It's just more so taking action to do it though.
Facts, bro. Okay. Yep. So you said the Chamber of Commerce. See, I don't you know, I heard about this stuff, and I know, but it's like I ain't thought about none of that ever with this.
right.
For real. Yeah. Hey, for real, man. And you said the Chamber of Commerce, and who else? You said
Yep, and then door to door.
Yeah, the door to doors. Oh yeah, bro. How exactly do the cold call working, bro? I've never done it before.
Yeah, so basically, this is the most simplest way to do it. I got a video on it too. But basically, it's you may just go on Google, figure out, okay, what type of businesses do I want to clean? Type in those types of businesses. Let's just say you want to clean, let's just say chiropractor offices, right? Indeed. Just type in chiropractors near me or chiropractors in whatever city you want to clean in, right? Get that whole list of them. Open you a spreadsheet. I always open up Google Sheets. And then in that spreadsheet, I'm going to type in their company name. I'm going to type in the address. I'm going to type in the phone number. And then I'm going to type in, I'm going to leave a space for comments. And then when I call, I'm going to say, hey, good morning. This is AJ with Clean Biz Network. Do you know who's usually in charge of hiring a cleaner for you guys? That person that picks up is going to tell me who it is. And I'm going to say, all right, is they available? They might transfer you right then, or they might say, no, she's out of the office right now. Can you call back? Or something like that. And do you want to leave a message? I'll say, no, do you know a good time where I can call back? They tell me 3 o'clock. I'm calling right back at 3 o'clock. And this time, instead of saying, asking who it is, I'm just asking for that person directly now because I got the decision maker name now. Once you got the decision maker, call them, talk to them, and ask them, tell them, introduce yourself again, AJ with Clean Biz Network. I wanted to see I'll be in your area on Thursday. Oh, actually, not even Thursday. I want to give them 2 months. I want to break it 2 down. I want to make it easy. I'll be in the area this week. Wanted to see if we could just drop by and provide you with a free quote for cleaning service. And then it's gonna be, oh no, thank you. We already got a cleaning company, or it could be, well, wait a minute. What is it? It's cleaning. Well, we're happy with our cleaning company right now. It could be anything, right? But my thing is, I'm like, okay, well, would you still just like to get an updated free quote just to see if you're still getting fair pricing? Because they probably already got a cleaning company, right? But the bottom line is, we're just trying to get in that door. We're trying to get them to see our face. We're trying to get them to get our business card, something that they can leave around and contact us later. And then most importantly, we want them to get our proposal too, because now they can see the price, and we might get lucky. We might be lower than what they already paying, or we might be the exact same, but our presentation is so good because we're using these Clean Business Network proposals. We got this pricing right. You know what I mean? And it's like, and we look dressed well. The company they got right now might not even wear a uniform. So you walked in there, you looking all professional. And it might just, you know what? Let's switch to them. They got it together. You know what I mean? So, but the main thing is just you call them. And are you in Clean Business Network?
Oh yeah, yep.
Yeah. So if you go in the Facebook group of Clean Business Network, just search cold call script. I got the script in there because I know I just went over it like fast and I was kind of stumbling, but the script is in there. Yep. So that's how it works for the cold call. And then the same thing if you go door to door, it's just damn near the same script. You're just trying to get the decision maker. You know what I mean? And then get a walkthrough schedule.
Okay. Yeah. Man, I was gonna ask on the platform. Man, was I gonna ask, bro? Oh, I should have wrote this down, bro. So is that inside the membership, like where you saying like the Facebook group?
Yes. So so you haven't joined the Clean Business Network Facebook group yet?
Oh no, no. Yeah, I don't think I'm in the group. I thought you was talking about like do I got the membership, like the membership with the package? Yeah,
so it comes with that.
100. Oh, so it's inside there.
Yeah, so let me show you.
Okay.
So it's on Facebook. The group is, but let me share my screen. I'm gonna show you how to get to it. So
yeah. Man, I gotta get my Facebook stuff back together because I don't be on there.
Right, and that's for real. One time we had left Facebook because of that, because most people don't like it. I know I don't care for it, but it was just easier to manage. More people was more active on Facebook when we did it on there and all of that. So, all right, bam, I'm sharing my screen now. All right, so if we go down and we go to when you log in, this is how it's gonna look, right? So you've seen this part before, right?
Yeah.
So when you logged in here, all you got to do is go to Clean Biz University. And then when you go to Clean Biz University, go to the starter course, and then the module 1 of the starter course. Let me show you right here. All right, so in the intro module of the starter course, you're going to see is a link to join the Clean Business Network, but I'm trying not to show it because I might put this on YouTube and I don't want to show what the code word is to get inside the group.
Oh, I feel.
Right. If I open this more, where is it? Right here. Bam.
And this is your first video?
What was that?
This your first video in there, right? Okay.
This one? Yeah, that's an old video, yep. But this is the intro module of the course. So it's like, this ain't really like nothing that's actually in the, it's just like an overview telling you what to do. And then I just put that in there just so it's like, hey, if you ain't even watched this yet, don't even go through the rest of the course. So that's why that's there. But anyway. And now, by the way, too, monthly Zoom calls as well. So don't forget that. So that link is right here too. So we do that.
Oh, that's in there. Yeah, I was wondering. Okay.
Yep. So that's here. We do that every fourth Wednesday at 5 o'clock. And then to join the group, you click there, and then that's the code word right here. But yeah, so that's how you would get in the group. And then once you in the group, like that's gonna really like be a game changer for you, because now you can ask questions directly to me or everybody else in the group, because we got like thousands of members in there now. So
100, man. And how you go about the leads, bro?
Yep. So if you want to get leads, let me go share my screen again, because it's different for members. Because y'all get it at a better price. Let me see. What am I doing? I'm trying to share. How you share? All right there. All right, bam. So on this tab over here, if you go to buy bid appointments right here, and then this one is going to give you a different price. And then if you was to go to cleanbizleads.com, CleanBizLeads.com is for people who not in Clean Biz Network. But if you're in Clean Biz Network, then you come here. Unless you want to get on a subscription plan for leads, because it is cheaper. But for members, you get it for $150. Non-members pay $200. So
okay. So you say it's if you're a member, it's $150 for
right now, and that price goes up and down. So one thing with members is always going to be about $50 less than whatever the public is paying. So sometimes it might be $100. It just depends on if our demand is up or down at the time.
Okay. So is it for that's for one lead?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
One. Okay, lead. All right, for sure. So you print out and then you fill it out inside there.
Right. You complete this application here. Just tell us everything about your company right quick. What type of leads you're willing to accept. You do all of that, and then you just make the payment right in here. And then once you do that, you're gonna get an automatic email to you letting you know the further instructions and all of that. And then we'll automatically get an email letting us know to go ahead and start making your phone calls for you.
Okay, indeed. Okay, all right, for sure.
Yep. And then we just start calling, and once we get appointments, you'll get an email to you. Now, another thing that you could do too is, let me share this tab. Another thing you could do is you can go to cleanbizleads.com and you could buy leads from here as well. And then so we got a payment plan. So if you go through this part, it's going to want to collect your information just so you can. All right. Now,
yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. This
to show you. So
okay.
Plans too. So if you wanted to, you could just set it and forget it. So buy X amount of leads per month, and then we automatically send you those leads per month too. And you get actually, this is more than what it would cost for the member price if you bought them individually. Because you see, this is $179 a month for one lead. So
one.
Start off doing $150.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, for sure. All right. Yeah, because I sure was wondering how I did. I ain't know how to go about it.
Okay.
All right, but yeah, man, that's mainly all I had wanted, man. Because in between that time, I just meditate on it because it was I was running to a joint with the Airbnb, and I don't clean on Saturday, so they was he didn't want to move forward, man. I ain't gonna lie, I was excited about them. Like, oh, I mean, 24 properties. I'm like,
right.
What?
Right.
But then he was like, man, we need Saturday, so I was like, man,
Yeah, and that's the thing too with Airbnbs that you gonna pretty much be working weekends versus with commercial. It's usually Monday through Friday.
Bro, that's what I need.
Thursday, you know what I mean? Just depends. Sunday through Thursday, Monday through Friday, but basically it's usually about 5 days or less.
Facts. Okay. Yeah, hey, that's what I'm sticking with then, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, all right.
I hope I was able to help you. Know what I mean?
Oh, man, absolutely.
I was just gonna say, make sure you go through that module. So go to the course again and just go to the intro module, so that way you can see the link to join the monthly calls and then to get on Facebook too.
For sure, absolutely, man. I appreciate you immensely, man.
Yes, sir.
Real talk, bro. Real talk, man. Hey, man, much love, man.
Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction. And see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years. And why they call me, AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the #1 source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.